Hello, welcome to day 984 of quarantine. Name is Justin Bond. I represent the southeastern portion of Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, and Delaware. This initially started through one of our partner distributors. Got a random configuration that one of the engineers at this OEM configured, and took one look at it, and in discussions with the outside sales gentleman quickly realized that they're going to need our help. So first, this is a two-pronged type of success, one of which we got to give credit to the Configurator team. Great job, because his first comment out of the gate was he preferred working with our configurator versus the Eurodrive configurator. I'll tell you a little bit about that coming up. So in talking with the engineer, they are an engineering firm. Initially, 2 years ago, they subcontracted out the majority of their manufacturing, and are slowly now in this new phase of their company starting to manufacture a lot of their drum inverters themselves. So they are a manufacturer that gets into bulk handling systems, drum inverters, blending machines, material handling lifts, and they cater mostly to the pharmaceutical, the chemical, and the food and beverage industry. So paired along really well with our new campaign for the food and beverage. So a little bit about what we specifically won on. This was specifically a drum inverter that the gentleman was trying to put in what they call the arm of the drum. So this goes at the top of the drum and actually turns and inverts it when it gets ready to dump these bulk powders out into a big blending machine. So this was a great first application. He loved how easy it was to navigate through the configuration. We had to get through a little bit of the service factor as it relates to what he was trying to do with his torque requirements. But once we got him past that, we were able to really add some of the great features that our marketing and our engineering team came up with. So I was able to add in some of the chemical duty packages, the FDA grease, FDA paint, and that was all done right on the configurator. We did the zinc hardware as well. So that was a double reduction F frame. So it was a nice order. It was a 5 horsepower gear motor, and we also did a 2 horsepower gear motor on that. So with the combination of his love for the configurator, a little bit of the technical help, the one thing that really got us through it was before, when they subcontracted out their work, they were very familiar with Eurodrive and loved them. The owner actually came to the engineer and said, Keith, why are you not using Eurodrive on this? And his two answers were the configurator and its ease of use, and the technical help that the local gentleman provided me, which obviously was us. So the dual team, in terms of the configuration and the technical help, really had us win this OEM over. And since we've now been specified in some of their smaller drum inverters with Hyponics. So we've got BBB and Hyponic in there. So it's a great win for everybody. Hope everyone's safe and healthy, still down in Chesapeake. And we're signing off here from TGB GC14. Thanks.